Welcome to Garden State Off-Road and to today's overview of Rough Country's Toyota dual steering stabilizers. The installation of Rough Country's Toyota dual steering stabilizers was quick and easy. The first thing we did was paint the brackets black for the look we wanted. To start, we removed the existing single stabilizer. Then we removed the steering idler bracket nut on the passenger side and bolted on the bracket from the kit as a template to drill a 3/8 hole through the steering stock. Next, we removed the bracket and attached the top steering stabilizer. Then we installed the bracket with the steering stabilizer, tightened and moved to the tie rod, and installed the other bracket with the 7/16 bolt and U-bolt. With the brackets installed, we moved on to the second stabilizer. Turn the wheels to check that there is no interference and recheck that all the nuts were tight, and that is it. Done. After the install, we hit the highway. This truck drives straight as an arrow, and when it was time to hit the swamp, the dual steering stabilizers tamed the 35s. Steering stabilizers restrain bump steer and front end vibration, giving added life to tires, ball joints, and other steering components. For more information on Rough Country's Toyota dual steering stabilizers and detailed instructions, go to roughcountry.com.